Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see the 10 user experience updates to the Azure portal. I was reading the blogs that few days back, and I came across this new blog wherein they have mentioned the 10 user experience updates to the Azure portal. I was really excited to read all of that, so I just wanted to share this with you guys as well. So let me just open the blog and the portal to show you these updates in detail. Here it is, the official Microsoft blog where they have discussed the 10 user experience updates to the Azure portal. It says improved portal home experience. So if you would scroll down a little bit, they have said that the services and resource, the top section has dynamic content that gets adjusted, and the common entry points and useful info, which is static. The lower section contains static content with common entry points to provide quick access to the main navigation flows that are always there. So it says the top section, which is this, it is dynamic. So I am into the portal and it says that it is the dynamic content that they're working on. Azure services list of recently. Okay, so this area that you see, the top area, this one, this is the dynamic content that they're talking about. This one, this area, this is the dynamic. This would include the recently visited services that you have visited. And if you would scroll down a bit, inside it says the static content. This, the navigation tools and the recent sources. This is all the static content that would be available to you guys. This is really a nice update here, and it describes the useful links within the portal. If you would see here, they have the mobile app connection, they have the recently Azure updates, useful links. You have to download it on iOS. You want to get it on the Android. It's really the nice thing that they have covered in this. The Azure Services section provides quick access to the Azure Marketplace, a list of 8 of the most used Azure services. So if you would come here, this is the Azure Marketplace, a really nice note on the top left corner of the screen. They have provided this section. Good. The overall home experience has been streamlined by hiding the left navigation bar under an always present menu button. So earlier there was the left navigation always visible, minimizing this area. Now if you'll hide it, so you will have the everything. You only create a resource, you'll see that on the full screen rather than having mostly this area was covered by the left navigation tool, and these things would appear would start from here. So this is not the case anymore. You just click on here and you will be on the left corner, or home, be under the home. One more very nice feature is like this is the Azure service. These are the most recently visited service. So if you'll place your cursor for a few seconds, you'll see that the drop down comes automatically. You've not clicked on any other thing, so you can just, rather than clicking on virtual machines, just place a cursor on any service, you'll see the drop down will come. Very nice. So you can just wait for it. You want to view the virtual machines, you want to create it, click on create, and then you'll be directed to the create virtual machine option. This is wonderful. This is quite an innovative feature that Microsoft has introduced inside the portal. They have extended the Microsoft Learn integration. Microsoft Learn provides official high-quality free learning materials for Microsoft technologies, and in this portal, they have introduced several contextual integration points: service browsing, service cards, Azure Quick Start Center, Azure Home. They have also enhanced service browsing experience, as they have improved global search. They have improved the service browsing experience before and after. So it says before. Okay, so if you will click on home, if you will click on here, you click on app service, create an app service. Okay. So before it was, now they have streamlined these things. So earlier when you would click on all resources, further window on the right would appear. Now everything is streamlined. You don't have to go uh, to the other pages and you have to scroll down to the right to check full options. It is available on the page size of your screen. It says the new overview category presents a list of 15 of Azure most popular services, curated Microsoft Learn training, content and access to key functionality like Azure Quick Start. This was the part 1 of the experience series. I'll cover the rest of the experience features added to the Azure portal in the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any feedback, please mention them in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.